Thank you. Scamper's taking a drink. Mama, can you pick me up? Mama, pick us up. Pick us up, Mama. Pick us up, Mama. Can you pick me up, Mama? Mama, pick us up. I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. I don't know if it's on us or not. Then Mama, pick me up. Give Mama kisses and huggies. That's like your little kiss. That's nasty. I'm a boy. That's nasty. Well, look what they're doing. They're trying to climb up my clothes. I got somebody down my shirt, but I can't show y'all. You can't look. But we can show you what was under. Oh my goodness, look at this. All the ratties. We got Little Boo on the left, Snoopy on right there. There's Snoopy. And where's Little Scamper? There's Scamper. Show off, Scamper. And there's Little Cutie, big Cutie. He's a big, he might be daddy of them. 1 or 2 or 3 of them. We're like brothers, though. He's like our big brother. Yes, we want to climb our mama. We're going to climb mama. No, don't fall down. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Oh no, I'm dropping the camera. Oh no. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Don't fall down, babies. Say hi. Yeah, Little Boo, say hi. There goes Scamper. I almost fell down on the floor off my shirt. Don't bite Mama's shirt. She's not letting us climb her. Okay, they're in my shirt again. Oh my goodness, I've got moving lumps in my body. Oh my goodness, I must be invaded by something. Oh, help, help, something's invading me. Help, help. Something's invading me. Help, 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 help. Oh, let me see what's invading me. Oh my goodness, it's a bunch of little ratties. They're Mama's ratties. Yes, they are. They're Mama's babies. Hey, Snoopy. Let's pose for the camera. Let's pose for this one too. There's a light over there. That might be better. Yeah. Let's get Scamper. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Say hi, everybody. This is Scamper. He's partially blind. He's albino. Siamese albino. He's my baby. One of my babies. Yeah, Cutie, come here. Come here. Say hi, Cutie. Say hi. Hi. Say my name's Cutie. I like cameras. I like to bite them. I like to check them out. Somebody's crawling my back. Oh no. I love you too. Hey, get off my back. Who's on my back? Oh, that's Little Boo. Oh, Little Boo. Little Boo's on Mama's back. Little Boo's on Mama's back. Cute pies, cutie pies. We're a bunch of cutie pies and we know it. So there. We're cute. Our favorite hobby is staring at the floor. But we don't jump down. Sometimes we fall when Mom and Daddy come step near us. We try to jump on their clothes and we end up falling on the floor. But that's because we want to jump on Mom and Daddy. Because we want them to pick us up and put them on the floor, and Mommy says no. We got to go do that in the bathroom, the big bathroom. Then Mommy and Daddy got to heat it up in there because it's not very warm. And very cold. You freeze your butts off on the toilet. But you guys don't know that because you don't have to get on the toilet, do you? No, you don't have to get on the toilet. Get your cutie. Get you little fool. You gotta give a kiss. Kiss camera. Kiss camera. Kiss camera. How about you kiss the camera? His little Snoopy, he went in the castle. They really destroyed that castle. We're gonna make him another one sometime soon. Here comes Snoopy. There, little Snoopy. Hi, little Snoopy. Come see Mama. Come on. Come and see Mama. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. He's a Scamper, good boy. Yeah. Mommy used to play with him. Let me play with him. Yeah. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. Whatever country you're in, or whatever state you're in. We love talking to you. Now we must go or you'll get sick of us. We are now 5 minutes and 1 second into this video. Goodbye. Goodbye.